All right, guys, welcome to another Power Pack Training. Maurice Gear here, Total Profits Now. Today, we're going to talk about how to get social media marketing clients. I know this is a big deal. We could talk about this for months and months, days and days. And I'm just going to help you guys with a simple strategy that I believe can help you to get even more clients if you're doing cold calls, if you're doing some LinkedIn, Facebook strategies. I just want to show you some things that I believe that can add more clients and ultimately put more revenue and more money in your pocket. Okay. So let's dive right into this. All right. So it's 6 ways to get social media marketing clients. All right. And for the sake of this training, we're not going to cover all 6 of them. The first way is cold calling. You guys know this is my favorite way of getting clients. This is the fastest way to get clients. However, I do know that there are a lot of people that are afraid, they have anxieties. They believe that the phone is a black snake and it's going to bite them. They don't have the time. And quite frankly, they just hate cold calling. Okay. So, we're going to discuss some other ways that you can kind of get around it, but ultimately, cold calling is the creme de la creme of building a 6-figure or 7-figure agency. Okay. The second way is cold emails. Cold emails is another way for you to passively. Okay. Cold calling is an aggressive way to build your agency, but cold emails, okay, is a passive way, meaning that you have to wait for people to get back with you and to respond to your cold email. Okay, you can even go door to door. I've went door to door. I've hired people to do some door to door stuff for me, where you pop in on the gym, on the business, on the restaurant, and you can meet and greet and leave your business card or perhaps pitch the owner right on the spot. Door to door is still another hot way to get social media marketing clients. Okay, you can also run Facebook ads. All right, where you target businesses and you can put your ad in front of those businesses. They can click, watch one of your webinar presentations, go through a sales funnel. You can even offer some free trials, things of that nature, by running some Facebook ads. And most of these strategies, ladies and gentlemen, don't worry, I'm going to do an in-depth training on them. In fact, if you guys are interested out of this list, just comment below which strategy are you most interested in finding more about or seeing more videos on that could help you build your agency business. Okay, networking events. This is another cool way that you can go out to chambers of commerce meetings and meetup groups, where you could go out and introduce yourself and let the business owners know the type of services that you could provide to get their phone ringing and get them more clients. And then you have the LinkedIn strategy, once again, where you can go into LinkedIn, find businesses that are in your area and reach out to them and see how you could be of value. That's another thing. When you're going on LinkedIn, you don't want to spam businesses. LinkedIn is a professional business site. Okay, so you want to see how you can position yourself as a person of value, all right, on LinkedIn. If you want to do some LinkedIn strategies, and LinkedIn works great. A lot of people are promoting it now. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, you have to pick your poison, all right? I like to operate in a couple of dimensions when it comes to this. Now, the beautiful thing about these particular strategies, ladies and gentlemen, is that you can outsource a lot of this stuff. A lot of you guys are thinking about, when you're building your agency, only your skill set. Okay, when you're building a social media marketing agency, and maybe I'll do a training on this, is that you got to think in terms of team. I made that mistake when I started my agency, where I was trying to do everything. In fact, if I was to share a story with you, if you look at any Hollywood director, okay, notice that they're not the cameraman. They don't write the movie. They don't direct the movie. They're not the ones jumping out of the vehicles in the buildings. No, they have each person to play their part in order to get that finished product, that movie that you go and sit down and watch on that 90-inch screen, and you lay back and recline in those chairs and you eat that popcorn and drink that Coca-Cola. It's a team that's involved. And that's the way I want you guys to start thinking. So when you think of cold calling, yeah, you can make the cold calls, but yeah, you can have somebody else to maybe close the deals, or maybe you can have somebody else to do the cold calling for you. Okay. And the strategy that I'm going to talk about today is a prime example of outsourcing. Okay, now if you guys have the time to do it, then great, you can go ahead and do it. Okay, so we're going to just discuss a simple cold email strategy. Okay, this is just going to be a simple email strategy that you can execute on. Okay, and what do I mean? You want to send out a minimum of 25 emails per day, Monday through Friday. Okay, and we're talking less than an hour. Okay, so imagine this. You make cold calls for 1 to 2 hours, and you set aside another hour to do cold emails. Think about that. Or if you don't want to do cold calls, you can double this and maybe do 50. Okay, 50 emails a day. If you do 50 emails a day, Monday through Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's do the math. Times 5, that's 250 emails a week. That's 1,000 emails a month. Times, let's say you close 20%. That's 200. And so let's do another 2. So let's say you're able to bring in, say, 4 or 2 or 3, even one client from a cold email is icing on your cake. Let's say you did that consistently for 12 months. All you were able to bring in was a $1,000 to $2,000 a month client. They'll still put you at 6 figures at the end of that year just by sending out 50 emails a day. Okay, now that's the power in this, ladies and gentlemen, and that leads me to my next thing. You got to be consistent. Okay, a lot of people are getting in social media and they want clients like, within the first hour of joining and then they're quitting and giving up. You have to be consistent if you want to make the big money in social media marketing. You can't send out 25 emails, make 25 cold calls, put up a couple Facebook ads, run some LinkedIn strategies, and say, hey, I didn't get any clients. It didn't work. You got to be consistent if you want to make money in social media marketing. The average business, okay, if you were to set up an average brick and mortar business, ladies and gentlemen, it will take you 5 years. That's projected. 5 years before you see a return on your money. Okay. And you have people that are now getting involved with internet marketing, affiliate marketing, Shopify, social media marketing businesses, and they're not making money immediately and they're quitting. Okay. If you want this simple email strategy to work, okay, you got to be consistent. All right. So what we're going to do next is we're going to jump right over to Google, and I'm going to show you guys just really quick how to work this strategy. It's very simple. It will help you guys get clients. Now, here's the thing. I put together a in-depth training, okay, on this. If you guys want a copy and paste email template, all right, you can go to the Social Media Prospecting Pro site in the link in the description. I do a thorough presentation and I give you a copy and paste email, okay? And I've paid a copywriter actually to design these emails for us, okay? All you have to do is copy and paste those emails. You want to sign up for a Gmail account, all right, and you will copy and paste these emails and send them out, and you will get people to respond back. But once again, it is a numbers game. You're not going to send out 4 emails and say it didn't work. You got to be consistent, okay? Now, like I said, I hired a professional copywriter to design these emails for us. If you want to get your hands on them and you want to get clients this way, all right, click the link in the description, sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and you can use those emails to start building your social media marketing agency, okay? So now you can go to all the sites that I always talk about, Yelp, Google, Craigslist, Bing, Yahoo. You can go to all these sites and just type in your particular niche that you want. I just typed in roofing contractor. You can go to the map section, more businesses, all right? And you can find the businesses, all right? This business doesn't have a website. Now, let me show you guys something, all right? This is really simple. Really simple. You stressed it. Video saying, Maurice, I want to get started in social marketing. This is a good way for you to get your beak wet, to get started, okay? But like I said, if you do want those emails, you got to click the link in the description and sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. Now, we'll give you guys some examples of something you can say if you don't want to invest in the program, but I don't know why you wouldn't when I hired a professional copywriter to design these emails for you, okay? So what you want to do is grab this email, all right? You'll see that this email is already front and center, and this is what I mean by copy and paste. So you can just copy this email, and then you can paste it log into your Gmail account, and you want to paste it, okay? You want to paste the email in there, and then all you want to do is copy and paste the email template that I provide for you in the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. Now, if you don't want to invest in it, you just have to create something. For example, in the subject line, you can say, I'm interested in your services, more details in the subject line. You don't want to say generate more leads or need a website or I can get you more customers. You don't want to say nothing like that. All right. So if I'm trying to contact this roofing company, I might say bid for roofing, okay, in the subject line. And then in the body, I can just introduce myself. My name is Maurice. I specialize in social media marketing. I'm looking to take on a few clients. If you're interested, respond back. And then I'll send you more information about how I can help you. Something simple like that, okay? Now, just going off the top of my dome. Like I stated before, if you guys want a copy and paste system where you can just copy and paste and bang this out, then click the link in the description and you guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and you guys can grab those emails and start getting clients using this strategy. Now, here's something powerful I'm going to introduce to you guys also, or share with you guys, rather. If you have the revenue, okay, I would head over to Fiverr, all right? This is really going to put this strategy on steroids, all right? You could head over to Fiverr, okay, and you can actually find a virtual assistant, okay, a VA, okay. You can hire a VA to actually do this for you, all right. And here you have a virtual assistant multitask for $5. You could actually grab the course, grab those proven emails, have the virtual assistant to kick this thing out for you 5 days a week, and you can set the Gmail account up. And you know you can have unlimited Gmail accounts, okay? All right? And you can have them to send these emails out for you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just handed you literally a $5,000 a month business on your lap. Okay, well, you don't really have to do nothing. But when the business owner responds back, you make sure you send them some information, or you set a meeting up, okay, with the business owner, all right? Or you can create a presentation, or you can do a Zoom call with them, all right? So it's really, really simple, all right? Copy, paste the proven email in there. Go to Google. All right, can even have VA to get you a list, all right, of the business owners with email addresses. And if they don't have an email address, call them. Hey, real quick, this is Maurice. Want to send you guys some information. What would be the best email address? Or I can say, seriously, let me back up. This is Maurice. I specialize in social media. I just want to send you guys a brief email, introduce myself on how I can get you guys more clients. What would be the best email address for you guys? And they'll happily give you an email, and you make that list, and then you can have that virtual assistant to send out 25 to 50 emails for you per day. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do that, and like I said, even if you're able to get $1,000 to $2,000 a month client, it will pay for itself, and you can build your agency just on that strategy, okay? Just on that one strategy, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, I just gave you guys a nugget, all right? A automated copy and paste system where if you don't want to do it yourself, you're a virtual assistant, all right? Now, if you guys want help putting this together, you want the emails. Click the link in the description. Sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. I lay out everything on how you guys can implement this strategy. All right. If you like this video, it's been immense value to you. Make sure you guys thumbs up, comment below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'll be putting out more videos to help you guys build your social media marketing agency. All right. Maurice Gear signing off. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.